my YouTube channel. If it's your first time on my channel, please be sure to hit the red subscribe button to join the family, join the squad, because you're definitely welcome here. Today's video is another hair review video, so without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Today is the Outre Swiss X lace front wig in the style Valentina, and of course I got it in the color 1B. And you guys, this hair's, I mean, I've been really into curly hairs lately. I've been watching so many videos on YouTube trying to find the perfect curly wig, and I found this one. Now it's not 100% human hair, however it is a blend, so it's a blend of synthetic hair mixed with human hair. So you know what, you guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and open the package up and see what this hair is really about. As you can see, this hair is packaged very nicely. When you open it, it comes with the plastic bag. Of course, we don't need that. Also, it has the info card. We're gonna take that out in a minute. Oh, wow, this is really nicely packaged. I can't even get it out the box. Yeah, I'm gonna need the scissors for that. Yeah, this just fell out. So this was inside of the wig. Of course, we don't need that. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it right out. Yep, it's got all these protective pieces in there. The net. Wow, it really was not playing. Like, whoa, do you guys see all this? Like, they really wanted to make sure that this hair would come to us in the best condition. So I you know what, Outre, I appreciate it. So this is the card in case you guys want to buy it. By the way, the website I used to buy this hair, and just a little quick disclaimer, because I've been making hair reviews for a while now, and I just want you guys to know that I use my own money to buy the hairs. I use my own money to go ahead and get those wigs. I'm not sponsored to talk about them. I'm not being paid to talk about them. And the website I used was wigtags.com. I don't remember exactly how much I paid for this hair, but I'm gonna go ahead and insert the price right here. And of course, I got this hair on sale. By the way, this website, they always have amazing sales. Again, I'm not being sponsored to talk about this hair. I'm not being sponsored to talk about this website. Go ahead and use whatever website you want to. The only thing I would recommend doing is buying it in online instead of buying it at a beauty supply store, because to be honest, beauty supply store overcharge you so much. So yeah, in case you guys are interested in getting this hair, of course I'm gonna go ahead and link it down below. Or in case you do want to get it at your beauty supply, this is what the info card looks like if you guys want to go ahead and purchase it. So I got this hair in a 1B. This hair is safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit if you did want to go ahead and apply heat to like recurl the hair or anything like that. And I'm pretty sure you can flat iron it as well if you want to, but why would you want to do that to this hair? Also, this hair is a 4x4 type of parting, and then it's it has that Swiss lace, which is a soft lace. And this is the inside of the card, so it's very versatile because you have this huge parting space. You can do so much with it. So I'm gonna stop talking and show you guys the actual hair itself. Right off the packaging, I can see that this hair have a nice amount of volume, and I love the fact that, you know, the curls on this hair is just so beautiful. Do you guys see this? It looks so natural, so gorgeous, and the color 1B is just so nice. It comes with the lace, of course. It's a front lace. You gotta cut it by yourself. And then this is the amazing parting space that you get. Do you guys see this huge parting space? So you can part it in the middle, you can part it to the side, you can do whatever you want to this hair basically. And this is what the inside of the wig looks like. There's two combs in the front right here if you wanted to go ahead and secure it. Honestly, I never use the combs because they're just annoying, but if you did want to go ahead and use it, and there's two combs at the front. there's a huge comb at the back, so that's 3 combs. And it also has the elastic band in case you wanted to go ahead and make the wigs tighter. So basically what you would do is move this and put it towards the center. That way the hair would get way tighter. And as of the lining, like the edges, I'm not sure if this hair is pre-plucked. Oh, it is pre-plucked. You see, I could tell it was pre-plucked, yes. So the parting, you see, it's pre-plucked. Do you guys see this? Pre-plucked. And you can definitely tell that it's pre-plucked. Do you guys see this? It looks more natural, basically.
Oh my gosh.
So you guys, this is how the hair looks. Do you guys see this? Oh my gosh, so gorgeous. So basically all I did was I cut the lace and I added some concealer to the parting and I created some baby hairs. Normally I pluck my wigs even more, but the only reason why I didn't really have to pluck it is because the parting was already good. But I may have to go back and pluck it so that the parting is a little bit wider. But so far I think it looks presentable. I think it looks really nice. I love the curl pattern on this wig. It's so soft, it has so much volume, and it's not heavy. It feels so light, and I love how it doesn't look shiny and plasticky. You get this beautiful matte color, and honestly the length is like perfect. The only thing as well, I may have to go back and open up the curls a little bit more so that it looks a little bit more natural, you know. But as of now, I'm honestly loving this. I'm gonna get closer, of course, so you guys can get a look. Also, I decided to part this hair on the side because when it comes to curly wigs, I feel like it looks so much nicer parted on the side. But of course, if you wanted to go ahead and part it on the left side or part it in the middle, of course you can go ahead and do that. So this is a little close-up. This is the curls. This is the parting that I added some concealer to, but honestly it looks nasty because I was trying to hurry up so I can come back and show you guys. But of course I have the concealer all over the place, but I think you guys can kind of see. And I do have to go back and pluck this a little bit more. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys. Like, you get a lot of parting space, to be honest. Like, you see this? So you honestly get so much parting space, and the hair is so thick, it's so nice. Woo. So by the way, if you guys are wondering how this hair is staying on my head and it's all secure, no, I don't have a wig cap underneath because those always give me headaches because they're just so tight. I just don't like them. So and plus I feel like your hair breathes better when you don't have a wig cap underneath. Anyways, that's just my personal opinion. All I did was use the 2 adjustable straps. I did not use the combs because I feel like those combs just pull out on your hair and they're just really uncomfortable having those little plastic or metal combs right on top of your scalp. I really don't like them, so I didn't use the combs. And basically I just added a layer, like 1 layer of got to be glued gel towards my, like from here to here, basically around the parting space, to just go ahead and glue the wig down. And basically that's all I did. I absolutely love this hair. As far as shedding, I'm pulling it and 1 strand of hair came out, so that's honestly great. I'm not sure how this hair is gonna do, how it's gonna tangle. Of course, it's a human hair blend, so it does have synthetic hair in it, so I'm not sure how it's gonna work out, if it's gonna start tangling as fast. But one thing I do love with curly wigs is that even when it starts to tangle up, it still kind of looks nice and manageable, and you know, you can still work with it. And I feel like with curly wigs, all you basically have to do to manage it is use a spray bottle with maybe some like conditioner, shake it up together with some water, and then just, you know, revive the curls. You don't really have to do much to it. And even though it does start to tangle up, I feel like it's still gonna look manageable. You're still gonna be able to work with it. It's still gonna look presentable, because sometimes with the little bit of tangle, it kind of look more natural. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but I mean, I feel like with straight wigs it's way harder to manage when it starts to tangle. It just looks nasty, whereas with the curly hair it kind of blends in, so you really can't tell as much. So I feel like this is gonna last a really nice time. I absolutely love this already. Like, do you guys see this? Of course I gotta fix the concealer because I just realized how I just put it all over the place, but that's besides the point. Overall, I'm gonna give this hair a 9 out of 10, and the only reason why I'm not giving it a full 10 is because I don't know how this hair is gonna tangle. So I may come back in a couple of months to give you guys an update on this hair and how it's been doing. Or if I don't, I may just go back in the description box and go ahead and write a quick little couple months, like 2 months or 3 month review based on how long I decide to keep this hair. But let me just go ahead and give you guys a 360 on this hair. This is the back. So the length hits right on top of your shoulders. By the way, I'm 5'4", so if you're taller than me, it's probably gonna go like on top of your neck, but it's really nice. So it hits right on top of the shoulders, and this is how this side looks. And honestly, it moves really nice. Like, it's so lightweight. I feel like I have nothing on top of my head. That's how light this hair is. So I love it. So I think this wig is definitely big head friendly because I have the straps at the tightest it could ever get. It sits very comfortably, like, you know. Yeah! Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to see more videos like this, go ahead and give me a big old thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you have any more questions about this hair that for some reason I didn't talk about, go ahead and write a comment below, and I'm gonna go ahead and take my time and answer all of your questions. Thank you guys for watching. Bye. Mwah.